Good morning guys, in front of me is DOOGEE DK10 and let me show you how to do the fingerprint to this device. First, open the settings, then find and select security, and now click on biometrics and passwords. Select fingerprint, and at first you need to set some backup method. It can be pattern, pin code or the password. Let me choose pattern. Draw the unlock pattern that you want to set, click on next and re-enter it. Click on confirm, here manage notification content. And now it's time to enter your fingerprint. The sensor is located over here on your power button, so just grab your phone as you usually do it and keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. Click on done, and that's it. As you can see from now on, you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Obviously, you can also use the backup pattern. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.